I believe I'm the right person for this job because I'm very feminine for this role. My feminineness, feminine sexuality, feminine personality will add value to this feminine role in the most feminine way possible.
Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.
So you guys miss me? I didn't post anything for one day, and yesterday, no, I think I didn't post anything for 2 days. 2 days maybe? Yeah. And yesterday I posted only a video of my baby. You know what happened? Okay, try this, okay? I want you to check your phone right now. Just check your phone. Okay, stop my video, go through your phone and just select all your photographs and check how many photographs are there. Okay, then check how many videos are stored. Just check how many photographs and how many videos are stored. That is number one. Second one is check how many contacts you have. Okay, all right, just mentally just count how many contacts. Then check how many messages you have, whether it's like the phone messages, SMSs, or Telegram, or Line, or Facebook messages. Okay, just check all this. Now you'll roughly have an idea. Now, number one, in the photographs, go through each and every one and ask yourself, okay, do you really need this? Seriously, ask it. You'll obviously say yes. You'll say you need all of them. Videos also, you need all of them. In fact, have you noticed that we always like to collect and keep things? Whether it was my mother and father, those days used to collect and keep Christmas gifts and New Year gifts, and glass, used to get a crystal glass, cheap ass, pirated crystal glass. They used to get that, and then they used to get it during Christmas and they would give it to somebody else, and somebody else would give them one and they would give it to somebody else. Crystal glass was a cheap favorite. They would keep around 6 to 7, just recycling because nobody would use it. Then tea, coffee, teacup sets and this and that. Crystal showpieces. In fact, my parents used to keep bed sheets, pillowcases, pillow covers, towels, and then socks. In fact, clothes. Clothes used to just be stored. In fact, go to your wardrobe right now. Check how many fucking clothes are. In fact, you will see your suit that you have never worn in ages. You'll see trousers you have never ever worn. You will see clothes which just lying down there. You wear, out of the 100, you'll wear hardly 10% of them. It's like out of 10, you'll wear just 2 or 3 regularly. Rest you'll never wear. I hope you change your underwears. Anyway, that is another thing altogether. But how many things do you use? The problem with us is we just like to buy, keep and collect. Buy, keep and collect. How many hard disks do you have? How many mouse do you have? How many cables do you have? How many documents have you stored in your PC? So same thing with your phone. You'll just store images, store. In fact, if you clear it right now, I can challenge you, if you clear it, like stuff that you basically do not need, I can assure you 50% of your phone will be, it'll reduce to 50% of the memory. So the one thing which I've always done, which is I clear off all, not some, all the photographs, all the videos from my phone. Literally all. It took me 3 days, 3 freaking days to go through each and every video that my wife had sent me. I save only those videos. I don't save anything the group sends me. 3 days to go through all the videos, upload them and delete it. I uploaded to my Facebook. You can go to my Instagram right now. Just check how many videos did I upload there, how many photographs. Videos were 700 plus videos, 3,000 plus photographs. Okay, and it took me 3 days. Now this is only photographs and videos. I told you I don't save. I've changed my settings where the Line, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, it doesn't save automatically. I just in fact my groups, I hardly read them. I just clear all, because there's hardly anyone has to give anything important, they'll give it to me one-on-one. Just only photographs and videos. 700 videos and 3000 plus photographs. Took me 3 days to clear all, and now my phone is like brand new. Even, in fact, you'll have to do this. Just go through your phone storage and just type storage. You'd see your Instagram and you'd see your Facebook. The size of the Facebook and Instagram will be something like 2 GB or 3 GB. Okay, and if you delete it and you reinstall again, it will be a fraction of what it was. A fraction. I don't know how is the setting there, but when you delete Instagram, and if you check right now, just go through your Facebook and Instagram right now, just check what is the size of that. Okay, go to storage, and there you'll see all the storage, your photographs, how much space is taking, apps, each one is taking how much space. Facebook and Instagram take the highest. Okay, like I was surprised once. I even saw, I don't know, 4 GB or 6 GB just for Instagram. So I delete both, I reinstall, and it hardly comes to a few MB. So that's another one. So the point I'm trying to make through this video is you need to go through your phone. Your phone is a device that is in your hand, that you take it everywhere, that is with you 24/7. You must ensure that it is, it's like it's at its peak. It's like driving a car, but making sure the car is, you looked after the petrol, the brakes, everything else. So photographs and videos, I completely clear it. Line, everything delete. WhatsApp, everything delete. Telegram, everything delete. Facebook Messenger, I just leave it because there's hardly anything there. I get once a while. It just helps me record. Emails, I keep it because if anyone has a previous reference, I just keep it there. But even emails, I delete all the unwanted stuff. Like business related, I keep. I don't keep like any nostalgic memory and all that. If there is, separate email is there for that. What I tend to do is I connect my iPhone. I don't know, this is just a productivity hack for you. I connect my smartphone. I transfer all the stuff to my, not my computer, to a separate hard disk. And I keep it in a folder, particular folder like iPhone, and the iPhone below that, it will be the date. And I check all the photographs, whichever I need. And it's not immediately, I check when I'm free. Like these past 3 days, I went through every photograph, every video. Oh, it was making me tired, man. Fuck, so many times I slept, I woke up. It's fucking tiring. Deleted everything. Now, it's like my iPhone is brand new, Just imagine 80% of storage was freed. So you can imagine the amount of stuff. So I do the same with my desktop. I do the same with my wardrobe. Now even my contacts, obviously can't delete all the contacts, but one tip I'll give you in terms of contacts. Every year I do this. This is once a year. I go through all my contacts. The ones which are priority, I just leave them there. The rest, if I don't remember the person or I don't know who the person, I just delete. Okay? After I've deleted, what I do is, this is a very interesting strategy I do. After I deleted the ones I don't remember, only the ones I remember I keep. Then my WhatsApp group, what I do is, I inform them that I'm creating a new WhatsApp group. Okay? Inform them I'm creating a new, they have 24 hours. And Immediately I start deleting everybody from that group. The VIPs I transfer to the new group. Rest everyone, just delete. Whoever responds, I ask him who is he, I save his number, and I keep it in the group. And that also helps me filter. If I feel this person is of no value, I don't add him back in the group. So that helps me clear off. I'll tell you, sometimes, like before I used to store like 5,000 phone numbers and contact information, business cards we used to store. Man, when I left UAE, I had like 4 or 5 Rolodex of business cards. And I was looking at the business cards, I was like, fuck, what is this? 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I don't know if they exist. So from then on, housekeeping. And today, even if I have 10, I know who those 10 are and I'm in touch with them. So I don't keep numbers. Even I used to do the same with Facebook. Now I don't have time, man. Facebook, every year, has to delete. Like I has to go 3,000 members, has to delete and bring it down to 500. Again 3,000, bring it down to 500. Now I just leave it as it is. I don't bother. So this is a tip which I'll give you in terms of spring cleaning. Do it right now. Go through your phone. Check how many photographs, videos. And my challenge to you is delete all of them. Just transfer which you need. Don't just transfer and delete and say, yes, I did it. No. Go through each and every one. Spend time. Go through each and every photograph, video, contact. And ask yourself, why have you saved this? And I'll tell you, you'll seriously appreciate the effort. And from then on, you'll be very careful what you store and what you keep. And this will improve the quality of your life. So if this video added some value, let me know your thoughts. And if you have any shocking numbers, be honest, share them with me. Love to hear it. Okay, you guys take care.
I believe I'm the right person for this job because I'm very feminine for this role. My feminineness, feminine sexuality, feminine personality will add value to this feminine role in the most feminine way possible.
Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.